Hey guys, guess what? A little birdie told me that you were interested in taking your draping skills to the next level. And if that is the case, I have some amazing news for you. Now, you may have heard that our draping tour, the beginning of 2020, has been pushed back due to COVID. But guess what? I'm here to tell you that we are back on, and right now we have 4 classes scheduled. So in October, we will be in Houston, Texas, Birmingham, Alabama, as well as New Orleans. And we're going to be wrapping it up, coming right back here to the A on November the 14th. So if any of these locations interest you, I advise you to click the link below so you can easily get registered with a minimal deposit so you can start attracting higher paying clients that's going to earn you more money so you can make more money doing exactly what you love. So click that link below before you miss the promotion.